Hello everyone, it's your friend Vincent again. This study is specifically for customers using Outlook on Microsoft Windows machine to access their emails. Sometimes a support agent may ask you to provide an advanced Outlook diagnosis, when you're having an issue so that they can support you better. So this study is going to show you how to generate and send a diagnostic report to a support agent. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is to install the Microsoft Support and Recovery Assistant, also known as the SaRA tool. The SaRA tool is a desktop client that enables Microsoft customers to troubleshoot and diagnose their issues, be it Microsoft 365, Teams, uh, you know, and all the rest of the applications, even Windows application itself. So let's get started. The first thing we need to do is to install the SaRA tool. So from your favorite browser, go ahead and type Microsoft SaRA. So this should take you to the first page you see is download the Microsoft Support and Recovery Assistant from the official website. Okay, you can just go ahead and download the zip file, but I love to download just the application itself. So I just scroll down to where you have the install instructions, and I just go straight to the https aka.ms/SaRA setup. I just right click on that and go to this page. Okay, so this downloads the application I need, which is a SaRA 2. I just click on save. I already have this installed, but I just go ahead and click on replace. So once you have this installed, go ahead and open it. So I have the SaRA setup. Okay, so this will download the deployment manifest. Okay, so just give it some seconds. It's trying to install, uh, at the background. Okay, so once it installs, you're going to see an interface like this. So you have which app are you having problems with. So we specifically want to collect the advanced Outlook diagnosis on this study. As you can see, you can use this to troubleshoot a whole lot of applications, Teams, Office 365 apps, Windows, Outlook, even your mobile devices, Outlook for Mac, and also Outlook on the web and OneDrive for Business. So let's go ahead and click on the Advanced Diagnosis, specifically to get the Advanced Outlook Diagnosis. So click on the Advanced Diagnosis, click on Next. Select Outlook. So this will collect information about your Outlook configurations, including the Outlook, Calendar, Office, Windows, and your mailbox. Then you'll be able to view, a detailed report of whatever issues you're having with Outlook. So click on Next after you select Outlook and leave the default create a detailed report of my Outlook, Office, Windows, and mailbox configuration. Click on Next. So this also I have to check if this is affected machine. Of course, this is affected machine. So click yes for is this the affected machine because you're trying to get the diagnosis on the machine you're having the issue, right? Okay, so once you click next, before you go to the next page, make sure you have Outlook open. So just to clarify, this tool is specifically for the Outlook clients. I mean, this study, to collect the advanced Outlook diagnosis right now. This study is specifically for Outlook Classic and not the new Outlook. This is specifically for the Outlook Classic. So make sure you have the Outlook Classic open if you want to get a diagnosis, the advanced diagnosis for the Outlook. So if you have just the new Outlook open, this is not going to get the diagnosis needed, or the diagnosis is not even going to run to start with because it needs or it requires it to be running the Outlook Classic. So when you select this is the affected machine, yes, click on next. So this is check if Outlook is running, which it is, and then this is going to check your office configuration. Just be patient because this will take several minutes to complete, several minutes. So I'm just going to pause the video and I'll see you when this is completed. Okay, so once the application is finished collecting data, click on view results in my browser. So this will open the results on the browser. I just go ahead and move this over to this screen. So this is what the result looks like on the browser. So all you need to do is right click on any white space right there and just click on save as. I'm just going to save this on my desktop. Just create a new folder for it. So just save it inside this folder. So once you have saved that inside the folder, you can go to your file explorer and all you need to do is send this file to the support engineer. So I'm just going to open my Outlook. And just click on new email. Before I go ahead to do that, I love to zip this file. So the support engineer may provide you with uh, a secure file sharing link where you can upload the files, or you can just send it over to them via email. So you can just attach go ahead and attach the file the way it is. So you'll see two files on the folder we just saved it to. But I love to do this. Go to where I save the file and zip it. So it is actually very easy for the engineer to get hold of. So at Look Advanced Diagnosis, if I open the file, I will see two different folders of files in here. The Outlook configuration file and the Outlook configuration configuration file and the Outlook configuration HTML file, and another folder right here called the Outlook configuration files, which have like the folders that we enable the support engineer to view this file from their end just this way. So this way, you're able to actually have the same experience you have, on your own end also. So what I love to do is go ahead and zip this file. So back to my desktop, right click on this folder and zip it. So just compress this to the zip file. Okay, so once I have that, I can go ahead and attach that to my email, which I'm sending to the support engineer of course. Okay, so I can go ahead and attach a file from this PC, and I'll just attach the zip file. Okay, so this way the engineer will be able to, view this file from their end and, get the information they request from you. And I can go ahead and send that. Okay, so thank you so much for your time, and I hope you're able to learn how to do this from your end. And of course, you can, click next, complete a prompt, also view the logs later, and you can cancel this from here also. Thank you, and do have a great day.